Okay, hi, welcome to my cycle3.lab. So today to-do list is I should set up the port security and identify the violation mode. And another one is setting up the HTTP snooping and limitation in packet tracer is VLAN1. Which means I should use VLAN1. And part 3, well, I've been working on it, but it just destroyed my mind and like my Cisco level setting was like messed up, so I will just pass it. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I set up the whole thing right now for port security. So port security, what is that? It is just giving a limited range of MAC address, and allowed MAC addresses are only allowed to access. Very easy and clear definition. Okay, so there's one thing that I wanted to show to you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so for this one, so this is the first picture. As we can see, I was working on setting on the violation in my Cisco level assignment. So port dash security max 2 in here. Well, like switch port mode access, and this is just the step-by-step mode. I just want to show that I did it in the right process. And mode access and port dash security, and this is the most important part: security max and security maximum 2. So what is that? Port security max 2 is I'm only allowing 2 MAC addresses in here to access, and port security violation is what I'm going to do if it's violated. So here, so I made it to be shut down. They cannot access it. So there's 3 different ways to set up this security. So protect is not blocking the port, they block the communication. Well, and also, however, if it is allowed MAC address, they do allow transmission, by the way. Restrict is just detect instead of blocking. Shut down, what I did in here is when we see the violation or some wrong MAC address, we do shut down. Well, just giving you information. And we must do shut down. Well, when we're giving the shutdown command, we must do shutdown first and no sh to run. Okay, so after that, check port switch port security. We should do show run. Okay, so here interface fast Ethernet 0/3 switch port mode access security and maximum to. This is what I set it up. Maximum to only 2 port switch can access, and they can get access point. And of course, as we can see in here, I've given them the whole MAC address and IP addresses. I just put hub in here because, well, it's better than just one switch, but it turns out that I just need only one switch. Yeah, I just made a user's one anyway, so it's fine. Okay, so next one is, so for the testing, I will give it exact MAC address in switch. So here, interface fast Ethernet 0/2, which is here, the green one. I did SW mode X ACC and switch port security and MAC address. So this is the one that I have given the right one to test it. And next one is fast Ethernet 0/1, which is red right now because I tried before. So I've given the wrong one, 00000000001. So this is the wrong one. So I have given the whole information in the MAC address, and after that we get out. And we will check with fast Ethernet 0/1 do show port security. Ooh, okay, just never mind about 0/3, which is here with like hub, but yeah, just let's not don't mind about it. So fast Ethernet 0/1 and 2. Well, this one count 1 shutdown because, well, yeah, as I said, I tried before with this experiment. It was green, it was green in here, but after I did the experiment, it just turned out red, and as I did command, it just shut down. Wonderful. And next one is, what I'm going to do is fast Ethernet 0/1 support security address. Oops, sorry. Okay, so do show port security address. As we can see, what is that? Show the address. So first one is this is the wrong one, and second one, this is the right one, which is here. Okay, so after that, finally, what we have to do is we have to check what's going to happen. So let's ping in router. I'm just going to ping here and here. Okay, so 5/5, 100%, so this is clear, because why? The MAC address is fine. And next one is, the IP address is fine. Oh, sorry, it is supposed to be 3. So IP address is like super fine, but MAC address, did I get this one? No, it's not. Okay, takes time. And after that, what? Like, it's 0%. Why? It's easy, because it has been shut down, because we put the wrong MAC address in here. And wait, in switch also, you can see show port security, as we did. So fast Ethernet 0/1, count 1, 1, 1. So this one has been shut down because this is a wrong one, wrong MAC address. So we can see the wrong MAC addresses has been banned in here. I mean, shut down, clearly. Okay, so DHCP is one of the security way in switch we will distinguish. Well, no, this device will do that. We will just set up. So DHCP, it will filters messages and rate limits traffic from untrusted sources. Okay, so I have 2 DHCP servers, and this one is rogue and this is trusted. So as we can see, this one is trusted, so I'm going to be connecting this one with like everything in here, 2 pieces in here. So when we do DHCP servers, as my mission requires, I should set up DHCP snooping VLAN with VLAN 1 and checking it. So let's make a trust port. So we just need to do IP DHCP snooping trust command. That's it. And the thing is, DHCP server. Okay, so for example, in PC, so every time when you're setting up, it's not like static IP address. So every time you're clicking DHCP, it changes as you change other devices. So DHCP request successful. Like sometimes there's a like disconnecting, or I forgot it, but there's some negative words in here. But I figured out that was my fault. So right now, like my DHCP is working very well. This one and this one static, and so every time when you want to check the updated DHCP, you just need to click and click back. Okay, so and also in VLAN, which is switch, I set up the VLAN with IP DHCP snooping VLAN command. Here, IP DHCP snooping VLAN 1, because so that I can give them the command that I'm going to set up in VLAN 1, and also like snooping command too. And the reason why I put fast Ethernet 0/2 is, as I said, this one is trusted. So I just give only access to fast Ethernet 0/2. By the way, the reason why I made a new one is everything I've made it just blowed up. So I hope this feature can explain that I can make it. Hopefully, yeah. So okay, and also after that one I did IP DHCP snooping trust. Why? Because I have to trust them. Okay, so after that this one is trusted line. Okay, and in switch as the last one, I did IP DHCP snooping, which is that I can see everything in here. Fast Ethernet 0/3, no, because 3 is here, and of course no. There is only one trusted port, which is Fast Ethernet 0/2. So other ports are not allowed. I mean, untrusted. And let's see what we got in here. So, okay, IP DHCP snooping, VLAN, really good. Spanning tree, not this lab assignment. And see, Fast Ethernet 0/2 IP DHCP snooping trust, which means this is the only port that I trust in here. And VLAN, no IP addresses, down, and yes. And the only thing I want to check in here is, can we ping? So, okay, seems like we can ping each other right now. Very good. Okay, so to check that mine is working properly, I'm gonna do that, debug IP, DHCP snooping packet, and event, which means that what's gonna happen. If I put this one in here, okay, so I put configuration, zoop. Okay, so right now what we're watching is massive amount of information. So, easy. So complicated. There must be this. Okay, here DHCP snooping. Process new DHCP packet, message type, DHCP request, and yeah, other numbers and things. And like basically we can check what's gonna happen with like debug command IP DHCP snooping packet, and you just need to click static and come back in here. And also we can do show IP DHCP snooping binding. Okay, so we have two bindings, Fast Ethernet 4 and 3 and 4 here. Two bindings. Okay, so I hope this one can explain the whole thing that I've done in here, because I didn't know that it's gonna delete it. It's gonna be deleted because it normally didn't happen, and yeah, it just got deleted and I just created a new one, and I hope this one can save my life. Thank you for watching.